do your homework, take him to school, pick him up from school, things like that.
Yes, I mean, you were helping him with homework, you were lunches, you were, cleaning up after him, you were driving him to school.
Yes.
Right?
I was like a father, yes.
Or the way it was described later was more like your mother doing. I mean, you were.
Well, yes, that was his own words.
Daniel worried about Nathan, he said. Saw early red flags in Nathan's behavior toward this first girl. Nathan, he said, seemed obsessed with Shelley, maybe dangerously.
I started to notice that Nathan had missed his classes. And finally, I talked to Sherry's roommate, Ashley. And what she told me shocked me. Because from her own words, Nathan was actually stalking Sally everywhere she goes.
And after Shelley was murdered, he said he saw scratches on Nathan's body, which, in fact, the police had noticed too. And then Daniel added something very interesting. He picked up Nathan from school on Thursday night. That's the day of the killing. It was more than 12 hours before Shelley's body was discovered, he said. And Nathan behaved like someone who felt guilty.